Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. One of the biggest contributors to plant stress here in the desert Southwest is our high alkalinity of our soil and water.
Soil pH measures how acidic or alkaline the soil is. The pH scale is 0 to 14, with 7.0 being neutral. Numbers that are higher represent alkaline soil, and lower numbers represent acidic soil. Most garden and landscape plants need a soil pH of 6.5 to 7.5.
Typical native soil here in the desert Southwest will have a pH around 8.2 to 8.3. This alkaline soil has the capacity to bind certain elements in the soil and prevent your plants from absorbing them. The plants suffer from a lack of various nutrients, no matter how much you try to give them. It's very similar to swimming pool maintenance, when you have to keep the pH of the water at a certain level for the chemicals to work. If the pH is too high or too low, chemical reactions can't take place.
People from the eastern states have to deal with acidic soils with a lower pH and have to amend them with products like lime to raise the pH. We have the opposite situation in that our soils are alkaline with a high pH. Sulfur or other acidifiers should be used to lower the pH. Incorporating sulfur into the soil is the safest and least expensive approach, but it is also the slowest.
You have to wait for the soil bacteria to break down the sulfur into sulfuric acid, which counteracts the soil alkalinity. Organic mulch or compost also works well as it breaks down into humic acid. These products work best if you are at the beginning of your project, so you can physically mix them into the soil. For established gardens and landscapes, there are products that work much quicker to help with severe alkaline problems. Products such as Congrow, Alkaleach, and other soil acidifiers are already in a liquid acid form that will neutralize alkalinity.
Changing the pH of your alkaline soil is necessary to ensure plants are well nourished and healthy. Soil amendments should be added at least once a year to maintain proper pH level. The continued use of organic mulch or compost is one of the most important things you can do to help improve your desert soils. See our gardening tips at starnursery.com or on our free app.
And don't forget, we make house calls. Visit your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.